Creating Coding by Krishna Sharma here from Credit, and welcome to the 26th magical episode of our JavaScript series. Today we are delving into the interesting realm of our table navigation. We will learn how to wave spell that bring life to the tabular data, making it dance and respond to our commands. So grab your coding vents and let's unveil the magic within tables. So first we will see accessing the table elements. In our ancestor script, tables are like ancient scrolls filled with mystical data. Let's discover the spell that grants us access to the element within these magical tables. So first we will make a HTML file, and in the title we will write table navigation. So here we will make a table with a border 1, and here we will write tr, and in the tr we want to give a data like credit. So here we will want to copy this and paste 4 times. So we'll copy and so here I want to first go like this. Here we have this table, you can see. Here we want to accessing any element from this. So how we can access? Just go to script and let all rows and adjusted element tr. So first we will accessing the table. So with using this id, we want to give a id to the table. Just go in the table and give the id, and here we have all the rows with the rows tr, and you can see here we have tr here. So in the tr we have this amazing example, all the rows for each row column row.dd console log row with length. So this will print the length of the row. So if I connect this, link this file to HTML, link this as script, you can see in the console the 4 row with the 4 columns. So here we have the 4 rows with 4 columns, 1 2 3 and 4 with a 4 column. If I change this row like here, so you can see in the console we have 3 rows with 4 column and 1 row with 3 column. I hope you are getting this. Let's move to next. So first, now we will see adjusting table rows. Rows in our tables are like magical potion, each with its unique properties. Let's explore the spell that adjusts this row. So here we have this example. All rows we are using for each loop. We will add a event listener, mouse over, and here we will hover spell. So here we will add a hover spell in the. So hover spell is a CSS class. So we have use CSS. So in the head tag we will use the CSS with using style tag. So in the style tag we will paste this class. We have this class, just copy this, comment out this and paste here. So if I hover this class will insert it in the tr. So if I use this, so background color will be white. So I want to change the background color like to red. So here you can see, if I hover this, the background color is red. I hope you are getting this. So if I change the another like black, so you can see the background color is black. And if I want to give a color like white, so if I over this, background color is black, and color is white. I hope you are getting this. So this is how to navigate a class in table. The casting spells on table cells. The true magic lies in the cells of our tables within data comes to life. Let's cast spell that animate and manipulate the content of the mystical cells. So here we are using for each loop. So all the rows for each loop we will selecting the TD, so data of table column. For each we will add a event listener on the click. We will click there and the content will print on the console. I hope you are getting this. So let's give this. You can just use also this to your in the in this, just comment out this. If I go to see, you can see in the console the content will print. If I click this, if I click here, you can click the content is printing, the content is credit. I hope you are getting. So that conclude our magical exploration of table navigation in JavaScript. If you found this spell intriguing, hit the like button, subscribe for more coding magic, and share your thought in the comment below. In our next video, we will continue our journey through the ancestral script of the DOM and reveal more mysteries and mastering the art of web enchantment. Until then, may your tables be dynamic, your rows be captivating, and happy coding.